looking for a time ahead when we will feel like we're being led away from the light. Let's find instead the goodness that we have before the break in the rain, a break in the sorrow.